Imagine waking up tomorrow and you find out that your YouTube monetization is gone. There is no strike on your channel, there is no violation, and not even inauthentic content issues, just because of these tiny mistakes that I'm about to share with you right now. Recently, a lot of creators have been reporting about the same issues of losing their monetization. And that is because they left their channel inactive for months. And according to them, there is no policy violation, there is no community guideline strikes, there is no issue with the channel. All of a sudden, the channel got demonetized. So the whole issue is that if your channel is not active for a long time, YouTube may remove you from the partner program. And if that happens, it means you're going to start afresh. Now you have to start working for 4,000 watch hours to qualify for the YouTube partner program again. But then how long it takes before your channel gets demonetized is what I really don't know. Sometimes it takes 6 months, sometimes more than, and even less than. So you can't really tell the actual time that your channel stays before it gets demonetized. But as long as your channel is not active, they are going to send you an email. This is my official YouTube channel on YouTube. And when you go to the video, the last video that I uploaded on this channel was last 10 months ago. Then we will go to the community post, and then you will find out that the last post that I posted on this community was 6 months ago. So it has been a while since I posted on this channel, and the reason is because I've been saving to shoot an official music video before I upload on this channel. But then on the 9th of July, YouTube sent me an email, and the email says, important information about your YouTube partner program status. And it says, hi Rambogini, we notice you haven't posted any content to your YouTube channel Rambogini for several months and have fallen below the eligibility criteria for YouTube partner program. We know monetization is important to you as a creator, so we want to let you know that unless you meet the YPP eligibility threshold in the next 30 days, we will disable monetization on Rambogini. After that, we will cancel your contract and you will need to reapply again for YPP. You see? And that is the message that I got from YouTube. We all know that life gets hard and tough sometimes, and you might want to take a break from YouTube. But then you have to find a schedule to keep your channel active. You can post YouTube shorts once in a while, you can post community posts once in a while, or you can go live once in a while, or just upload a 30 seconds to 1 minute of your long video. This is just to keep your channel active, and that is all you need to avoid these demonetization issues. Cause being active once in a while is rather better than disappearing and one day you wake up to find out that your channel has been demonetized and your years of hard work has gone in vain, and now you have to start again from beginning. All right, and that is all I got for you in this video. So guys, if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment, and let's grow together. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.